Hi everyone, today we are going to repair HP Victus 15. This laptop has a problem with FIFO rail. I already removed this chip and I ordered new one. We are going to try and replace this chip and see if the problem is fixed. So this is the new chip. So let's put some solder on it. Every pad has solder right now. Now I can solder it. Okay. Okay, let's clean up the solder around the chip. Okay, let's clean and see. Okay, chips looks soldered right now. We can try power it up. This board has a power button right there. Let's put it in the chassis. I need my multimeter. Let's see. It's already on. Oh yes, we fixed the 508. Okay, I noticed multimeter was not in the angle, so I will show it again. Originally this laptop was not powering on because the 5-volt rail was not rising. It was 0.6 volts. After replacing regulator, now we get 5 volts, as you can see. And I don't have heatsink right now, but I will show after I put it together. Okay, I put together the laptop and let's see. It's charging. By the way, it does not have any SSD because I don't have one, but I will add later. And as you can see, it's powering on. I think I did not add any RAM. Okay, I added RAM. Let's see. It powered off, coming back up. And yes, as I said, I don't have SSD right now, but this laptop is fixed. See you later.